Hey, this is me building and strategizing an $80,000 a month AI automation business in front of you. The goal is simple: increase my revenue by $10,000 a month until October when I hit $80,000 a month. I'm going to show you what's working, what's breaking, and how I'm optimizing my systems to get there. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to show you how I actually post my previous post. So the video that I recorded previously, if you want to know how to do this, I can show you how it's done, kind of the right ways. So there's a couple things that we need to do here. So I've already made my video. I've already cut it up. Like, I don't cut up my videos. All I do is I make one clip, kind of like how I'm doing now. I'm not going to be editing this video. All I'm going to be doing is cutting the beginning and cutting the end. No cuts throughout the whole thing. I grabbed the transcript out of CapCut. That's what I use. It's just really quick. I cut it up, download, get the transcript, and then I have a built Brendan's YouTube section for its projects in ChatGPT. If you guys want to know how to make that, you can drop a comment below. So basically what I did, I said, hey, I need to make a YouTube title and YouTube thumbnail based off the files. I will provide a transcript and it will tailor for that video, understand? So because I have a bunch of Alex Hormozi videos, I have Jock Roberts videos, I have Nick Sarive videos in there, so they're all mixed up YouTube thumbnails, descriptions, and then I can get a good answer based off those ones and create one good one. So because yesterday was kind of boring, I was more talking about how to do the roses framework, and it was a little bit more confusing, but I'm trying to get more flow into these videos. So you can see I just pasted the entire transcript in here, a lot of seconds, like look at this, 0.5 seconds, 4 seconds. So there was a lot of times I was not talking. I think I'm more in the mood today, even though my voice isn't the best right now. Fixing my YouTube intro, why it was awful and how I'm changing it. So that's technically what it was yesterday. So that was my intro in the beginning. It was my first time saying it without having to actually like I practiced before this, trust me. There's probably at least 20 times just before this that you're not going to see of me testing that out. So I figured out my title. I figured out my thumbnail. So it says a shot of you looking frustrated, confused, holding your head, or looking at the script with a red X over it. A second image of you. Ooh, that's actually really good. I didn't even think about that. A second image of you confidently delivering the new intro with a green check mark. A blurred screenshot of your script planning process in the background. Text on thumbnail. Awful intro. Fixed it. My new daily YouTube strategy. Big bold new text below. Huh. Okay, this is really cool. I like this. Okay, I want to do 3 different thumbnail ideas, and I like to do one text, so I'm not going to do exactly what it says. And I already have one ready, so I think this is something I'm going to try in the future. I didn't actually do this one, but I think it's a really cool idea. I can replace it in the future. I'm going to write that down after. So we'll go to my Canva, which is right here. So this is the one that I'm doing. This is from yesterday's, so I'm going to use this photo, and I'm going to make 3 of them. In YouTube, you should always test the 3. Don't just test one, because you never know what's going to work better. Please provide me 3 big bold text for the thumbnail. Okay, we're going to see how this is going. I'm going to drink my coffee here because it's hot, and I don't like cold coffee. Okay. My intro sucked. Hey, I'm gonna do what it wants me to do because I trust it with my life. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, that looks kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. And me looking at it, that was a total fluke. I just took this picture for my video. I just took a screenshot, cut around it by hand. Fix my YouTube intro. We'll copy that one. We'll throw it in the next one. Is there effect? I need like a dark effect. It's already on there. Doesn't look good. I want to maybe make this a little bit darker then if we're going to be doing that. Adjust. 52. I'll change this one out as well. I'll change this one out as well. We're going to change all the brightness to 52. Okay, and then we got this one to change. I finally nailed it. Hey, I finally nailed it. It's kind of funny. It's like in between. So my intro sucked. Fixing my YouTube intro, I finally nailed it. That's kind of funny. It's kind of like a beginning, a middle. I wonder if that's what it did. Each of these creates curiosity and highlights a transformation. Ah, okay. So each one is a transformation. Huh. That's kind of funny. And you know what? It's actually really good because then it kind of targets the beginning, middle, and end of it. That's hey, that's pretty smart. I'm not gonna lie. Let's download this. These three right here. Do not upsize it because YouTube doesn't like that. We're going to grab. I'm gonna have to. Recreate my summary. This is my description template. I'm gonna grab while that's happening. I've already uploaded the video, so we don't waste your time. I think it's back here. Please provide me 3 more titles to complement the YouTube thumbnails. Because if I changed it, like I have 3 different ones here, but it's not exactly awful intro, fix it. Yeah, sort of is, but I want to get some more options here. I'm not going to totally fixate on that one. I don't know if there's going to be more. It's a beautiful day. We're starting to get some good weather out. It's like, what is it, 8 degrees outside right now, which is amazing, finally. I think this weekend, well, tomorrow, it's supposed to be like plus 15. And it's been like -1, -2 lately, consistently. So hopefully this will be good. Okay, so we got our... To be honest with you, I just need this. Edit the draft. So this is what I uploaded. Then we're just gonna delete this one with this one. Prompts. Oh, I need the roses tracker. I need the roses tracker. Oh, here it is. Why my YouTube is trash and how I fixed it. Which one plays into curiosity? I mail you to pick the best one for animation people. That is my target audience. This is even if you're a business owner, you're still searching up automation stuff. Formula appeals. You should steal this. Should you? I'm gonna do it anyways. Let's see what happens. You never know until you try, because my new YouTube, I don't like that there's all capitals either. It seems ingenuine. I do want it to target an automation people. It must have some sort of connection. Also, no capitals, as it looks way too professional. Automating my YouTube intro for better engagement. Is that what I'm doing? I'm not really automating. I'm just giving the script. Literally all I did. Not gonna lie to you. I like this one way better. my or new. My new YouTube intro formula, you should steal this. Or new YouTube intro formula. Because then it's broad. I'll take that out. Intro formula. Oh, I think we're going to leave it like this. You should steal this. You know what? I'm going to leave it like this. But I think it makes a big difference between the my and just new. Everything in here is going to stay. I do have to create a roses framework. I'm going to create that afterwards. But I will be including that in here after. I'll have to edit it. We're going to test and compare. We got to get... I need to get... the downloads for the thumbnails. I'm going to drag them in. So we got 1. We got 2. And we got 3. Let me know which one you guys think is going to work. Like, I kind of like the... That looks clean. I like it. Thank God I made the background darker. That helps big time. Let me make sure my summary is correct. Fixes YouTube intro after realizing it wasn't engaging enough. In this video, he refines his approach using structured framework, optimizes delivery, and builds repeatable intro for daily videos. Watch as he experiments, iterates, and dials in the perfect opening to hook viewers instantly. Okay. No, this is not made for kids. No. I did have a list. I'm going to add the ones that I have in mind, though. Automation. Legends. Egg.com. NIN. YouTube. Intro. Script writing. New business. AI business. AI agent. I've already done some research previously, so I kind of know that the hooks, like the hook words that people are searching, these are some of them. I'm going to have to add more once I get to that point. I want to bore you guys with that unless you guys want to see that in the future. Okay. We're good to go. Let's go on. Nope. Wait, what is this? Nope. And copyright. We don't have any music on there anyways. It's perfect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Perfect. Okay, let's do some brand stats now. We'll go to analytics. We gained, how many followers did we gain? None. Perfect, so let's put that in. This is mine, right? Yep. So, today's March 14th, double checking, make sure I'm not crazy. For, we'll check our Linktree. Give this a little reload. We're just looking at our 7 days. We just want to grab whatever happened yesterday. That's all we're getting, right? So it was the 13th. We got 10 views on there. And then we'll grab my Instagram. Double check. 146. Yeah. And then we'll put it right here. 146. Okay, perfect. So we have that going. And then I think for tomorrow, let's see here. What do we have going on over here? This one here was for the school. I think tomorrow I might be doing that. I know there's one thing I wanted to do. I kind of wanted to show you guys the ManyChat, how my ManyChat works. I'm going to be making a separate video on this, and it's really interesting. I only have 2 rolling, but I'm going to create another one called Roses today. Live chat. No. Yeah, this one right here. Oh, CTR. Okay, so like this one here, auto DM. So like if somebody says a word, then they get sent a link, and that link can be, like for me, the link is just docs.google.com, but that's just because I'm giving value like instantly. I'm not really pushing it to anywhere else. So there's that, and then, yeah. Okay, so anyways, let's, I'll bring this up tomorrow. I'll make a full video on this actually after tomorrow. And then basically what happens, I have an Instagram page right here. So common thing to get this prompt when starting AI automation business, commit 100%, half in won't cut it. And then if you type in think, you'll get sent a DM like this. So an opening DM will be, hey, you ready to learn new skill in under 10 minutes? And then the person has to click yes, send the link. And then the link comes in and says, all right, here's a link and the first step to streamlining your business startup. Blah, blah, blah. Here's the thing. They click, open the document, and then they get sent a text message, not a text message, a comment in the comment page, which will be like this, for example. Just sent you DM. I think my account got stopped for some reason. I connected my automation to Instagram. I don't know which one it was. It wasn't ManyChat. I had ManyChat installed, and then I installed something else. I don't know what it was either. I don't know, maybe it could have been my Linktree, or maybe it could have been me just following people, because I do a lot of like outbound following, liking, and comments, and all that jazz. So it could have been because of that, just doing too much of that. But yeah, so I'll show you guys that later. Thanks.